Hey guys, today I'm going to be reviewing 2 squishy toys. But before I do, please hit that subscribe button and comment down below. And also, like this video, give it a thumbs up, and let's get straight on. I'm going to be reviewing this basketball squishy and this incredible Hulk squishy. Let's first just do this one. When you squish it, it has like this water inside of it. There's little ears, cute, and then little eyes. Then you got a little chin. That's not the chin, but here's the chin. And I don't know if y'all can hear this, but yeah. And then up here you got the little hairs, and then you squish it and the hairs pop out, and it's water. Then you got little pointy hairs out here and pointy hairs in the front, and then you got eyes that are cute. See? Doo-doo, doo-doo. This is so addicting to squish. It's like so relaxing. Stress ball, relaxing, so fun. So relaxing. I could stress this. I could play with this all day. Oh, and there's little bubbles. It's weird looking. Now I'm reviewing this little basketball. Well, I got this from my Uncle Adam. I got this from my little Uncle Adam. My little Uncle Adam. Just my Uncle Adam. And, yeah. Say yeah, yeah, yeah. And then I got this from the Dollar Tree. Dollar Store. Either one. It's super slow rising. I love it. So squishy. I love squishies. And all I'm going to do is just squish, 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 squish. And there you go. That was my review of squishies. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe. Bye.